Welcome back to LyraTech, where we break down the latest and greatest in product tech. Today, we are taking a close look at the VITAPLUS Cold Press Juicer, a slow masticating machine promising high yields and robust construction. It aims to make your daily juicing routines simpler and more efficient. First up, let's explore how the VITAPLUS Juicer performs in daily use. Focusing. Its food-grade stainless steel auger provides strong, steady crushing, delivering high juice yield with very dry pulp even from celery. The generous 5.8-inch wide-mouth chute is a fantastic feature, letting you put in whole fruits and large vegetables without kneading. Cleaning this juicer is surprisingly fast with just 3 main parts. The use of food-grade stainless steel for the auger and BPA-free components throughout means this juicer is built for years. Overall, this juicer offers a strong foundation with its core juicing mechanism and thoughtful design. Next, we delve into the long-term parts of the VITAPLUS Juicer, examining its motor. Equipped with a 250 watts AC induction motor, this juicer is designed for quiet, stable operation and promises a lifespan. Every juice contact part of this BPA-free juicer is triple lab certified by Bureau Veritas, Intertech EDL, and German LFGB, ensuring independence. Beyond just juicing, this machine doubles as a nut milk maker, allowing you to easily prepare fresh cold-pressed fruit. At its price point, this juicer offers excellent value, combining a durable stainless steel auger, a long-lasting AC motor. Considering the robust build and certified safety, the VITAPLUS Juicer offers reliable, versatile performance. The VITAPLUS Cold Press Juicer stands out with its durable stainless steel auger, powerful AC motor, and thoughtful wide-mouth design. Its triple lab certifications for food safety offer solid peace of mind, making it a reliable choice for consistent juicing.